Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to Sunday. So I decided that I'm going to do a daily vlog today because I just feel like I like the daily vlog format these days. I have made a bagel with cream cheese, my fave, and some iced coffee. So I am sitting in bed and I am going to eat that while watching a vlog because it's Sunday. I want to treat myself to a little breakfast in bed, and then I want to go to L'Atelier in Rosebank because there's like a pop-up there. So French Official, Spectacle Boutique, and all of them, like, they're popping up there. There's this small what do you call it, like company, I guess, and they literally have the most gorgeous jewelry, like I saw on their Instagram. So I want to go check it out. I'm gonna have my breakfast, we're gonna get ready, and then we're gonna go. I'm excited. Okay guys, so I'm dressed and I am ready to go. I literally didn't do anything to my hair. I just tied it in a pony and then curled the front part. My whole outfit is from Zara. Pants are from Zara, bodysuit is from Zara. It's the one that everyone loves. I plan on getting this because I have it in the black, I have it in the beige, and then I want to get it in the white as well, and I also want to get it in that sky blue color. Pants are from Zara. I got them a couple of years ago. They're like this asymmetrical design, which I quite like. And then my shoes are also from there, my slides, these ones. And then I'm just going to be carrying my toiletry 26. I actually want to buy a chain. I think I've mentioned this before. I want to buy a chain so that I can also like carry this as a proper bag because I really love it as a bag. I love the shape of it. And then this is the fragrance of the day, the Gabrielle Chanel. This is what I am wearing today. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let's go.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Hey guys, so I just got home and I picked up a slush puppy on my way home because it is warm. It is so hot today, but at least it's starting to cool down a little bit, so I'm happy. I got my earrings, I got my jewelry. I can't wait to show you guys. I actually saw this boutique on Instagram, on the Spectacle Boutique Instagram, and I think I mentioned earlier, but like they're actually like the only reason that I went, and also to check out what they have at Spectacle Boutique because they always tend to have like sales and stuff. Oh, the windows. They tend to have like sales and stuff at these kinds of pop-ups. But I went specifically for the jewelry and I'm so happy with what I got. I'm going to show you guys. They are such gorgeous pieces. Okay, so they are called LUXE by ALIZE. If you guys can see that, that is the name of the boutique, I suppose. I will link their information down in the description box below. But this is the packaging, so pretty. And then when we open it up, there are two little baggies. So I got two earrings, and one was $650 and the other one was like $700. I'm not 100% sure. I don't even have the receipt, to be honest, so I don't know which one is which. I think, okay, so these ones were the ones that were about 700, just over 700. And guys, these earrings are so beautiful. Have a look at that. They are just to die for. They are so great, like casually, but you can also dress them up. They'd also look really pretty for like work and stuff, also for like lunches, like whatever. Like they're so beautiful and they're so elegant. And I prefer buying pieces like this because they're quite unique. I like costume jewelry, but when I buy costume jewelry, I like sort of like Swarovski jewelry. I'm not really huge on buying jewelry, costume jewelry from like designer brands and stuff, because I feel like it's very basic designs with a very high price tag, in my opinion. But I love pieces like this because I find them just so beautiful and so unique, and if you take care of them, you can have them forever. I'm going to show you guys the second pair that I got. So also about this brand, these earrings, they are handmade with like special gemstones, and then the pearls that you see are real pearls. So this was the second pair that I got with this blue stone. Guys, how beautiful. They're also, I think she said they're 14 karat gold plated, and then they've got real pearls and then real like precious stones and stuff. So I really love earrings like this because you can just dress them up in so many different ways. But look at these, with like a pair of jeans, a nice like white bodysuit, hair up in a ponytail, just gorgeous, just so pretty. But I need to charge my battery, so I'll see you guys just now. Hey guys, okay, so I was quickly filming. I actually filmed a video. This dress is literally just not doing what I needed to do. Okay, so I just finished filming a video. I filmed what I got for my birthday. I was waiting for an item, the coat that my friend got me. I was waiting for it to arrive, but it arrived like 2 weeks ago, and I kept on putting this video off. I don't know why, but I figured that like since I had eyelashes on, like my makeup was done, I should quickly just change. So I put on this dress and I put on these green earrings that I love so much from Zara. I got them a couple of years ago, and these were really such a great buy. Yeah, so I quickly just threw it on and I filmed the video, and I really hope that you guys like it and you guys like what I got for my birthday. But I love this look. I'm feeling very green. I'm feeling very like I don't know, like I feel like I am just like giving Slytherin today, which I love. And if you guys don't know, I am a huge Harry Potter fan, okay? Literally a massive Potter fan. I am a Potterhead, okay? I've watched all the movies several times. I have all of the books, they're down there. So when the 7th book came out, I was literally like one of those like in the queues waiting to get the books. That's how much I loved it, right? I love the series. And I took the quiz on Pottermore. So Pottermore is actually a website. It's one of the official Harry Potter websites. So if you need like any information of like Harry Potter related things that maybe weren't mentioned in the book and weren't mentioned in the movies, then you could go onto Pottermore, and J.K. Rowling used to like write quite a bit on there. But also there was a quiz on there that you could take to find out what house you were in, and I took the quiz twice, and because once to take the quiz and the second time just to make sure, and it turns out I am a Slytherin. And I just would like to say that not all Slytherins were bad, regardless of how they were portrayed in the books and in the movies. And I just feel like it was just such a waste. By the way, I'm going on a Harry Potter rant now, but I feel like it was just such a waste, you know, and a missed opportunity, I think, because I definitely don't believe all Slytherins were terrible. And if I had been, you know, part of that entire thing as a Slytherin, I mean, I probably would have been a pureblood naturally. I'd like to think that I would have maybe been like a descendant of like Lita Lestrange, or perhaps a Shacklebolt. Yeah, and I think that I would have been, I think my family, like the family that I came from, even though they were purebloods, I think that we would have been very like kind people, very good people, very like kind and accepting. I probably would have had friends like across all 4 houses. Possibly a little bit arrogant, possibly a little bit arrogant, but I mean, it would make sense, right? What else? Oh, I probably would have married Blaze. Ooh, I probably would have married Blaze Zabini. but not immediately, because I feel like my family and I wouldn't have liked the Malfoys or like any witches and wizards like them, like the supremacists. I feel like they would have been insufferable to us, so I probably wouldn't have married Blaise immediately. Maybe after a few years, once he got Malfoy out of the system. Because I didn't like his friends. I probably wouldn't have dated him. I probably would have dated him like way further down the line. And yeah, we just would have been like rich and, you know, had some beautiful pure blood babies and just girl, I'm telling you. Anyway, editing this vlog right now and I realized that I didn't film an outro. So here's your outro. If you guys are Harry Potter fans, then you know. If you didn't like the Harry Potter series, then I'm really sorry. I don't know, I'm a fan. I just wanted to share something fun with you guys, something that I was interested in and something that I grew up with, and it was just a lot of fun, you know, just like talking a whole lot of smack about Harry Potter. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you are a Harry Potter fan, let me know. Just let me know anything. Let me know what you love about Harry Potter. If you've taken the quiz, let me know what house you're in. If you don't know what house you're in, tell me what house you'd like to be in. I'm really keen to know. And if you didn't like Harry Potter, like, what did you like growing up? Yeah, I would love to know, guys. Let's have a chat down in the comments below. I love you guys all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.